What's going on, friends? I'm gonna open some more 2017 Chronicles, another hobby box. I've done pretty well with this stuff and I keep opening it. I know some of you are sick of it, but maybe you're not. This stuff offers up enough variety. That's one of the reasons I keep opening this and 18 is because, you know, when you open Donruss, you're getting primarily Donruss base cards. When you open Chronicles, you're getting a variety of, you know, different cards and different Panini brands. And to me, that's just super cool. That plus you get 4 hits per box in this stuff. And they're often good hits. So, I mean, when you put it all together, it just makes sense. And at the price point, it really makes sense. So I love this stuff. Alright, we're going to start off with the Mick Bonifacio Prism Rookie, Jordan Montgomery Prism to $2.99. This is the blue, light blue, I think. Donaldson and Blackman. Longoria, a Derek Fisher Prism Rookie, Herrera to $9.99, Davidson and Bo Jackson. Goldschmidt, Cole. Uh-oh, another redemption. I get a lot of redemptions. And it is another Aaron Judge. Wow. I just got one of these redeemed. I'm still waiting on another. It has taken absolutely forever. But I finally got one this week, and I think this is the same exact one. So I'm happy, but at the rate that they're actually filling these redemptions, wow, it'll be a while before I see this card. So happy, but would be much happier if Panini would get on the ball. It's hard to be excited when you know you're going to have to wait a year to see a card that you pulled. Just brutal. Smoke, Verlander, Craig Biggio jersey. Jay Bruce and Thames. I tell you what though, I've had tons of luck in pulling Aaron Judge out of this product. Absolute tons of luck. Roger Clemens, Lindor, that I've pulled jersey cards, autographs. There's a numbered Goldschmidt to $4.99. So I really can't bitch too much. It definitely could be so much worse. Chris Davis, Jacoby Jones, rated rookie, Arroyo to $1.99 rookie, Perez and Jake Lamb, yeah. No. Sorry, I had an interruption. I was saying I can't believe that I've actually, you know, pulled so many Judge autographs out of this. Rated rookie Arroyo, a Cespedes gold standard. I love these. These look so good. Should be numbered, yep, to $2.69. Just a gorgeous card. Molina and Cespedes. Ooh. Oh, and I've also pulled 2 really good Bregman Spectra autos out of this. Those were something to see too. Scherzer numbered to $3.99 blue. Kemp and Frazier. Yeah, those Bregman. I'm trying to remember, were those... I think those were redemptions too, but those came really fast. Darvish, Mancini, rated rookie. There's a Griffey to $9.99. Morrison and Alonso. Moustakas, DeGrom, a Amir Garrett, gold standard, good looking on card autograph to $1.99, dual jersey. Just some plain white swatches, but a really good looking card. Huh. Not bad. So we have the Biggio, the Garrett, and the Aaron Judge. Should have one more hit. Sano, Machado. Here's a Manny Margot to 20. Wow. A Prism, I guess green. Sticker autograph to 20 on top of the Judge. That is just crazy good. Wow. Super nice. Wow. Alright, Rose, Herrera, and our last pack, which should not have another hit, but might have an insert, has Arenado. It has an Ian Happ Prism rookie. Paul DeJong to $3.99. Mike Schmidt and Cano. So another successful box of Chronicles. The Garrett is absolutely gorgeous. Probably not worth much, but it's a gorgeous card. And then we had buried it, the Biggio, little white swatch. Nothing crazy there, but I like Craig Biggio. And then the Margot, numbered. I don't know if you can see it. There, you're getting a lot. 15 out of 20. And that should like make a box, make the box there, but then we still have this craziness. I love it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell thing, ding 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 ding, so you'll get a notification when I open some more of this Chronicles or other stuff. I'm just like over the moon for opening cards, so, and you will see that if you subscribe to this channel, and we'll have some fun opening them together. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon. It's like Christmas, isn't it? If you've watched this channel for any length of time, then you know what you see before you has made this day like Christmas morning for me. That's right. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 hobby boxes of Chronicles. 2 are 2017, 2 are 2018. I definitely am a bigger fan. I was a huge fan of 17 until 18 came out, and 18 has just, it wooed me so hard, won me over. It just has my heart. I mean, we are in love. But what has happened is I haven't forgotten how good my love affair with 2017 was. It's been very, very, very good to me, and now the price has come down. So I can't forget about 2017, even though 2018 is the love of my life right now. So yes, 2018, I'm stepping out on you just a little bit, to get a little more 2017 action. I can't ignore it. It was so good to me. Although, to be honest, I am still waiting on some of the redemptions to be fulfilled that I pulled out of this stuff last year. I finally, just this past week, received one of the Aaron Judge autographs that I pulled, but I'm still waiting on another one of those, and I started counting them up when I went in the system and requested another card yesterday, and I'm waiting on like 10 redemptions to come in. It's like getting ridiculous at this point. So I am a little worried that I'll pull some redemptions out of this and have to wait 50 forevers. I have been very lucky with 18. I don't think I've pulled any redemptions out of that, so yeah. And I, you know, now that I've seen 18, I'd really wish that the base cards in 17 held more value, but it is what it is. You get a lot of hits, and like I said, I've pulled some really good not only rookie but vet stuff out of here too. So we're gonna check it out again. Here we go. There are 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. You can get this in retail version. I haven't bought much retail. The price of that's really cheap now. Garrett Cole, Yu Darvish. First autograph is Adam Frazier. Donruss Signature Series. Not numbered sticker auto for the Pirates. Salvador Perez and Jake Lamb. There are, you know, you can get like Spectra and some other good stuff out of here too. The Prism and Prism Parallels out of this are not bad. Sano, Roman Quinn, Donruss rated rookie. Let me sort these. There's a Renfro numbered out of 25. There's a nice SSP. Kemp and Todd Frazier. There's DeGrom, Adam Duvall, and Aaron Judge. Dang, it's just jersey. I was hoping it was an autograph, but whatever, I'll take it. It's a good jersey card, numbered to $4.99. Cool Judge action. Mike Schmidt and Cano. You do get 8 numbered cards out of each box of this. The value's not very high, but it's still pretty cool. Machado, Arenado, filler card. There's a Ripken to $1.99. Green parallel. Josh Donaldson and Charlie Blackmon. So that's 2 of the 4 hits that we're gonna get out of here. There's a Seager, a Correa Prism. Let's see which. It's just the base regular. Still a good looking card. Bonifacio to $3.99. Sanchez and Altuve. Thicker pack here. Might have one of the Spectra cards. Definitely got something in there. Could be a filler. We'll see. I'll get that off my hand. Myers, Odor. Yeah, it looks like a dummy. Springer to $3.99. Blue parallel. Molina and Cespedes. I really like the what do you call them? They're thick. Oh crap! Of course, I shouldn't even started to say it. Gold label out of this. Gold standard. Gold standard? Gold label? Crap! I can't remember which one it is. There's A-Rod, Luke Weaver, rated rookie. Here's a Syndergaard to $99. The purple scope parallel. Mookie Betts and Adam Jones. So we're down to 5 packs. I'm still looking for a couple of more hits. Clemens, There's a Bryce Harper prism. Just the base regular prism. And then an Austin Slater prism to $1.99. Rookie. Trevor Story and Correa. Really thin pack here. Lindor. Also, we got a Pinder autograph. There are lots of these. I've pulled a lot of these out of here. He must have signed a ton because there's a lot of these in here. Sticker autos. That's 2 autos, 1 jersey. Morrison and Alonso. Another really thin pack. Holiday. Goldschmidt prism. Ozuna to $1.99. Green parallel. Fowler and Greinke. Alright, last 2 packs, and neither one feels thick, so there must not be any gold standard or Spectra in this box. Chris Sale, Billy Hamilton. It's a Jake Lamb autograph. That's not bad. It's my last hit. I am surprised to get 2 of the Donruss signature series in one box. But that's 3 autos and 1 Aaron Judge jersey. And I am not going to complain about that, especially at the price these boxes are at now. Alright, last pack. Moustakas. Rated rookie. A Pujols to $9.99. Pete Rose and Herrera. So that is it. There's our little rundown, our stack of base cards. These are all insert and numbered. Quite a few prisms. And like I said, 8 of those are numbered cards. Try not to drop our hits. I think the Jake Lamb is my favorite hit. And the Pinder. The Judge numbered jersey. And Adam Frazier. And that is it for this box. As you know, I'm not going to hold out for long, so watch for me to be opening these other boxes. They'll be posted soon after this. Thanks everybody. Take care.